Yo, what's going on YouTube? Back with another video today. Today we got technically 3 new mods for the K5. Also shout out to the comment right here. He's not wrong, I did yap the whole video. So it is what it is. I'm gonna go ahead and show y'all step by step on how to install everything with minimal talking just for him. Nah, I'm just joking, I'm probably still gonna talk. But these installs should be pretty easy though. It's just stick-ons, so hopefully it's not too hard. So I'm still gonna show y'all step by step on how to do it. And especially when the side skirt comes, I'm gonna show y'all everything, placement points with screws and everything like that. So go ahead and show y'all the products. The 2 right now, side skirts haven't came yet, but when the side skirts come out, I'll put it in this video as well. Go ahead and show y'all. I got a gloss black roof spoiler, and we already mounted the 3M tape. We did it this way. I would have, well, I didn't do this, but me personally, I would have put it around the whole edge so that water doesn't get in, but same difference. And rain guards, he got the chrome trim because his car already has chrome on it. With that, 3M tape already came with it. Pretty much everything should be stick-ons, so nothing too crazy. I'm gonna go ahead and set up tripod, roof spoiler first, then rain guards. All right, so it should look a little something like that. Go ahead, wipe it down and get it ready. I'm gonna go ahead and peel off all the 3M and then get back to y'all whenever this is ready to put on. All right, rain guard hook up right here. Boom, rain guard not installed, just hooked on right now to see where it fits with the mirror caps. But overall, just pull it off and stick it on. So I'm gonna go ahead and try time lapse that for you. All right, pretty much this all fully installed. Go ahead and just do the same process for all around. Go ahead and time lapse everything for you. Rain guards, roof spoiler, both on. We'll cut back to whenever we receive the side skirt. It's still in post right now. All right, so it's about 2 to 3 days later. USPS took a very long time. So I'm gonna go ahead and show y'all side skirts and get it installed and end the video for y'all. So here are side skirts. They're just the universal set, all 3 clips in. Pretty much you gotta trim part of it. That's just part of the thing. But we're debating right now if we should trim so that, because you can't take this off. It's like riveted into the core. We're debating if we just cut a slit for it, like a little thick one, and then just work it through, because if not, then it would have to sit right here instead of it being like flush with the body, which would be like right here. So we're trying to see if we should do a slit or not. I say yes, we'll think about it. If we do, we'll get back to you. So just give us 1 second. All right, we're gonna go ahead and cut it. I'm probably just usually use my Dremel, cut a slit until like, I'll probably try to go the whole way, and after that, I'll just match on the other side, and then I'll measure and tell y'all exactly how far to cut for y'all. All right, got the car in the air, and just for y'all to know, if y'all want to do this at home, we cut this about 3/4 inches right there. A little less than 3/4. Boom. Oh, it focuses. A little less than 3/4. I don't know how to read a tape measure that well, but just go ahead, put this on the car. All right, we just finished the side skirt. Don't worry, we still have a whole nother side to do. Pretty much, we lined it up, exact measurements, got a little edge right here because it looks a little better. With that, we went from this body line, curved it, so that it was lined flush with this body line right here. And with that, we did about per section, there's about 3 sections on the side skirt. Each section we did 3, just cut it like down the middle. So 1 here, boom, all throughout. Now there's this. Y'all wondering about extra. That's how much we cut off. It's about 4 5/8, if I'm not mistaken. Maybe a little less than that. 4 5/8 between the half mark and the 1/8 mark. So whatever that is. Sorry, I'm not exactly good with tape measures, but I'm gonna go ahead time lapse doing the other side and then get this video closed out and post it for y'all this Friday. So I'll catch y'all then. Hey guys, side skirt's fully fully on. Car's off the jack stands. Everything's fully done. One last look at him. I think since you curved it from here to the body line, it looks a lot better. So you saw it is a little loud. He does have a muffler lead on. It sounds a lot better. But the roof spoiler with the rain guards, in my opinion, it adds a lot to this car. We also went ahead and amber deleted, I guess you can say, because it's yellow. That it's aggressive look the front end looked way more aggressive. Along with, you got the mirror caps, rain guards. Obviously, he had a duck bill, be a lot better. Sorry, it's nighttime right now, guys. But overall, I say it's a pretty big success. I know he does want rear spats and the duck bill for sure. And maybe in the future they have a diffuser, he'll get that too. But in the meantime, it's gonna be it for this video. So I'm gonna catch you on the next one, and I'm gonna see y'all later.